Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete Android history from the phone. We start by opening Chrome on our phone. Next, click on the three-dot menu and then on History. Here we can delete elements individually by clicking on the icon that each one has. If we want to delete all history, we will enter the Clear Browsing Data option. After that, we are going to select the time since when we want to delete the history, and then we select the elements that we want to delete. Finally, click on Clear Data and confirm if any warning appears. After that, we will see that the history in the selected section is deleted. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.